naastignin. Zare ya sıga firfir esarallo. Today I am making a steak firfir. Firfir is a traditional breakfast meal that a lot of Ethiopians eat. This recipe, all you have to do is make your sauce and add your injera in, and then you're finished. If you guys like the sound of this easy and delicious recipe, make sure to stay tuned. To start this recipe, we're going to take some steak meat and we're going to cut it up like shown. Next, we're going to dice some red Rome tomatoes. Usually I use red onion for my recipes, but today we are using white onion. Then after you've diced up your white onion, you're going to drizzle a little bit of oil on your skillet. First things first, we're going to saute our white onion for about 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you season it well with some salt. Once it's cooked halfway through, we're going to add our chopped meat to the pan. Once your meat is cooked fully, you're going to add 3 spoonfuls of barbare or chili powder. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Next, we're going to mix in some hot water. Then we're going to mix in some ground cardamom or kororima. Now we're going to mix all of our diced tomatoes into the sauce. We always add our tomatoes at the end because we don't want them to become soggy for our sauce. Then we're going to mix in a little bit more hot water. Last but not least is clarified butter. I added about half a tablespoon of this big spoon. Now we're going to roll up our injera, cut it up with a knife, and put it into the sauce. Then we're going to slightly move it around so that the injera gets covered in the sauce. But make sure you don't mix it too much because you don't want the injera to get unrolled. You can also add some sliced jalapenos for taste. Amasaganalo. Thank you for watching this video today. If you guys like this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more recipes or videos that I do on my channel. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. This recipe was so delicious and yummy, and it didn't take that much time to make. Make sure to stay tuned for my next videos because they're going to be showing you my new room, my new bathroom, and my new closet, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I do to try and make it feel like home. If you guys like the sound of those videos, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye!